Welcome to Wonder Garden channel. What will you do with an orchid that has died like this? Don't rush to throw them away. Today I will guide you how to revive an orchid that has died and seemed to have no hope like this. Only with 100% natural ingredients and a simple method, anyone can restore orchids like this. So, to do that, let's watch the whole video today with me. When you encounter orchids that seem impossible to save, with wilted leaves and severely damaged roots, don't be quick to give up. The first and most important step in reviving the plant is to gently remove it from its pot and eliminate all the old growing medium so you can thoroughly assess its condition. If you observe carefully, you'll notice that even though all the roots are damaged and the leaves have lost their vitality, the orchid's stem still retains nutrients. This is the key that allows us to make use of it and stimulate the dormant buds within the stem to sprout again. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. To prevent the spread of disease from the damaged roots to the healthy parts of the plant, I will carefully remove all the dried and rotted roots that can no longer absorb water and nutrients. This step helps preserve a clean, healthy base, creating favorable conditions for the plant to recover and develop new shoots in the near future. I will carefully rinse the stem with clean water, ensuring that all remaining impurities, soil particles, and any lingering bacteria are completely washed away. This thorough cleaning helps create a healthy environment for the plant to recover and encourages new growth. After rinsing, we need to let the plant drain and dry for a short period before proceeding to the next treatment step. To treat the base of the orchid, I will use 2 aloe vera leaves. I carefully cut each leaf in half and use a spoon to scoop out the inner gel, making sure to completely discard the outer skin. The outer skin of aloe vera often contains yellow sap, which can be harmful and may cause the orchid's base to rot, so it's important to avoid using it. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Wonder Garden to join me on more tips and journeys in caring for and reviving orchids. The inner clear gel and flesh, however, are packed with nutrients and have natural antibacterial properties. Applying this gel not only helps protect the plant from infection, but also stimulates root growth and supports the orchid's overall recovery, allowing it to regain strength and vitality more quickly. Once I have the aloe vera gel and flesh, I will place them in a blender and mix with 500 milliliters of clean water to create a nutrient-rich solution. The next ingredient I will use is vitamin B1. This is a common component in plant care, known for its ability to stimulate root growth, boost resistance, and help plants recover quickly after becoming weakened. I will crush 1 vitamin B1 tablet and mix it into the aloe vera solution we prepared earlier. The combination of vitamin B1 and aloe vera creates a highly effective recovery solution, both nourishing and protecting the orchid during its vulnerable stage. After blending the mixture, I will strain it through a sieve to extract the clear liquid, removing the solid aloe flesh. This makes the solution easier to absorb into the orchid's base and prevents any unpleasant residue from sticking to the plant. As finally, I will dilute the entire aloe vera and vitamin B1 solution we prepared with 1 liter of clean water to achieve the appropriate concentration for the plant. Next, I will place the entire orchid base into the solution, letting it soak for a certain period, so that the active compounds in the aloe vera and vitamin B1 can penetrate directly into the stem. This method not only gently cleanses and disinfects the plant, but also provides essential nutrients, stimulates the growth of new roots, and helps the orchid quickly regain its vitality. I will soak the orchid's base in this solution for about 20 minutes, allowing the nutrients enough time to penetrate and take effect. While waiting, I will make use of the remaining aloe vera and vitamin B1 solution to care for other orchids in the garden. I will pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it as a natural foliar fertilizer for the orchids. When misting, you should spray evenly on both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, as the epidermis on both sides can absorb nutrients. The fine mist quickly penetrates, helping the leaves retain moisture while supplying essential minerals. The aloe vera gel in the solution soothes the leaves, keeping them lush and green while reducing the risk of sunburn during intense sunlight. Vitamin B1 plays a crucial role in stimulating metabolism and repairing damaged cells, helping the leaves become healthier, thicker, and shinier. When sprayed regularly with this solution, the orchids in the garden gradually become more vigorous, recover quickly, and create a strong foundation for stable root, shoot, and flower development. I will make use of the remaining aloe vera and vitamin B1 solution by applying it directly to the bases of the orchid pots in the garden. Watering the base allows the solution to penetrate the growing medium, delivering nutrients directly to the roots. The aloe vera creates a naturally moist environment, helping the roots retain water more effectively, while also inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria in the substrate. Vitamin B1, on the other hand, helps regenerate cells and stimulates the formation of new roots, enabling them to recover quickly and become stronger. When the roots are healthy, the orchid can easily absorb nutrients and develop evenly in its leaves, shoots, and flowers. It's important to water only an appropriate amount to keep the growing medium well aerated, avoiding prolonged waterlogging that could lead to root rot. After allowing the orchid base to soak in the solution for the full 20 minutes, I will carefully remove it and apply cinnamon powder to the cut area. The cinnamon powder acts as a natural antiseptic, helping to protect the wound from infection and promoting faster healing. This step is crucial for preventing rot and ensuring that the plant can recover healthily and develop new roots and shoots. To create a new nurturing environment for the orchid to recover, I will prepare a clean plastic cup. First, I place a layer of moist moss inside. The moist moss not only helps retain water for a longer time, but also ensures that the orchid base receives the necessary moisture, allowing new roots to sprout easily and grow vigorously. In the next step, I will cover the top of the cup with a transparent plastic bag or cling film. This covering acts like a mini greenhouse, maintaining stable heat and humidity for the plant. However, to prevent the orchid from suffocating, I will make a few small holes in the plastic to allow air circulation and avoid the growth of mold. With this environment, the orchid will have ideal conditions for natural recovery, stimulating dormant buds to sprout and promoting the rapid formation of new roots. Place the pot in a location with gentle, indirect light and good ventilation, avoiding direct sunlight to prevent water loss and heat shock. Every 3 days, use a spray bottle to mist the plant, evenly covering the surrounding area and the surface of the moss in the cup to maintain necessary moisture. Regular misting helps the plant absorb water and creates favorable conditions for dormant buds to sprout and grow strong. Results after 3 weeks. It's truly wonderful to observe that the orchid base has begun to revive. A small dormant bud has sprouted, and delicate white new roots have appeared, indicating that the plant has effectively absorbed nutrients and is thriving in the nurturing environment. This is a very positive sign, showing that the orchid is recovering and ready to grow healthily in the near future. I continue to mist the plant regularly in the coming period to maintain a cool and adequately moist environment, ensuring stable growth for the new roots. When the plant has the right moisture level, photosynthesis and metabolism occur more efficiently, allowing the orchid to become healthier, with vibrant green leaves and rapidly developing new shoots. Results after 2 months. It's amazing to see that the tiny dormant bud has now grown into a vibrant new seedling. The young leaves are unfolding, lush and green, expanding day by day. The root system has also developed strongly, appearing bright white, which indicates that the plant is absorbing nutrients very well. This is a clear sign that the recovery method has been effective. The orchid has not only overcome its initial wilting, but has also entered a new stage of healthy and stable growth. At this stage, when the plant is stable and growing well, I can safely transfer it to an external growing medium. I spread a layer of leca at the bottom of the pot. This layer helps improve drainage, prevents waterlogging, and creates a stable base for the orchid's roots to grow healthily. I will choose finely crushed pine bark as the substrate, as it provides both good aeration and moisture retention, making it ideal for the healthy development of orchid roots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After placing the plant in the pot, I covered the surface with a thin layer of moss to help maintain stable moisture for the orchid. It's truly wonderful to look back on this journey, from an orchid that seemed dead, with barely any signs of life, to a plant that I have been able to revive and help begin a fresh, vibrant new life. What do you think about this orchid revival method? Share your thoughts in the comments so we can discuss further. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wonder Garden to continue joining me on more journeys of caring for and reviving various orchids.